Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about Shopia's personality feature. Personality, as the name suggests, is a way to give the AI a personality that matches your needs. So if you're a marketer and you want to write marketing copy in a particular way using particular information, you can. Or say you're a product manager, you can supplement any resources regarding your company and product, define your brand voice, and the AI will be able to speak about your product and company the way you like. What it does, it gives you the ability to control how the AI speaks in terms of writing style, tone, and structure, but it also allows you to control the AI's knowledge as well. So you can provide a set of files and URLs, and the AI will search through them to get you an answer. You can set up personalities from the settings or from the dashboard here. So you can access settings from this button here, and you can go to personalities, and you can define personality by creating personality here. But before we go into building personality, I'd like to show you a simple diagram illustrating how personality is structured. So if we go here, you can see we have this personality, and a personality has two components. It's got a voice and knowledge. So voice controls how the personality or the AI speaks, and knowledge controls what the AI knows. So by default, as we know, things like ChatGPT, they have their own internal knowledge. But let's say I want to supplement it with any kind of specific information, either through certain documents, it might be company files, it might be competitors' websites, it doesn't really matter. You can add that, and then the AI will be able to use this personality to speak how you want and about what you want. But to do this, there are two things or two prerequisites to define. First, voices. So you need to create a voice, and then you need to create, or rather, you need to upload files and resources into your knowledge base. Once you have that, then you can assign a voice to your personality, and you can assign certain resources as knowledge to that personality. And you can create multiple personalities. So you can have a marketing personality, a sales personality, a student personality. It doesn't matter. You can customize this however you want. And something to keep in mind is you can have one or the other. You can have both, but you can't have neither of them for obvious reasons. So if you have a voice but no knowledge, then the AI using that personality will speak in the voice you've defined, but it won't use any additional knowledge than what it does have already, and vice versa. So if you don't define a voice, then it will speak how it thinks it should speak, but it will use any files and resources you've provided. Okay, so let's go back to the application and see how you can create a personality. So we already have one created here, and just to show you how you can do this, you just give it a name. You have the option to give it a description. If you're working in a team, this is useful to know what this encompasses. And then you just need to define a voice. So if you don't have a voice already, you can just click Add Voice, which takes you to this tab. And to add a voice, you can either just give an example piece of content, and it will automatically detect the voice from it, or you can just skip this and just define this manually. So you can give it a name and then describe what the voice, how it should speak, the tone, the structure it should follow, so on and so forth, and just save. Whereas in knowledge base, all you need to do is just click Add Resource and upload any files and URLs you want to add. So for now, we can stick to just using the Shopia website for now. And once you have this, you just need to set the knowledge set. So this is the knowledge of the AI. So we can either add this manually, so we can add a piece of text and it will use this as its knowledge, or we can choose from the different resources that we have in our knowledge base. So we already have one added. If we click save, it saves, and we have marketing personality and one resource used. Let me just update the voice, use the marketing voice, and save. Okay, so let's see how this actually works. So if we go to a document, we have different features that use the personality feature. So we've got the editor, we've got workflows, and we have chat. So to use personalities within the editor, you can use this, you can click on this button here. So editor AI personality. To illustrate how this works or what it's actually doing, I'm actually going to try to generate without personality enabled. So let's say, write about Shopia's, and I click run. Okay, so let's see what the AI said. So Shopia's workflow feature offers a unique workflow feature that allows their users to streamline their business processes, create custom workflows, automate tasks, manage projects. We can see it's quite generic. It's not actually writing about Shopia itself. That's because it doesn't actually know what Shopia's workflow feature is. So if we enable personality, let's see how it performs. So I can choose my personality. I've got a marketing personality, which uses the Shopia website, right? So you can see knowledge becomes Shopia's website. And then let's just try this again. Write about Shopia's workflow feature. And I forgot to do something, which is enable the personality, which turns this into green. So once we run this, it will start running again. Okay, so it's done generating, and here we can see the text is generated. So this is what it wrote before, and this is the new part. So Shopia's workflow feature is a game changer for anyone looking to automate tasks and achieve more with less effort. With the power of AI workflows, you can automate any task. AI-powered research capabilities. Don't be limited to language models' knowledge. With Shopia, you can add your own knowledge or access the web to gather information. This means you can create a knowledge base of your files and web pages, instantly retrieve information, and write hyper-personalized content. So this is really good because it's writing exactly what Shopia actually offers. And without needing to manually define any context for it, it will automatically find this information for us and write about the content we wanted to write. So we can now disable this, and we can move on to the second feature, which uses personalities, which is workflows. So if we go to, let's say we're writing an email. So let's type in email, and let's click on email reply. Okay, so once the template is loaded, all we need to do is add in two inputs. So for this template, we need to add who we're replying to. So we can say this is for John, for example, and we need to add some context. So I'm just going to keep it simple, and let's just say, write about Shopia's workflow feature, or actually let's do describe Shopia's workflow feature. And then if we don't have personality enabled, let's just see how that does. Okay. Automate repetitive tasks. Very generic, as you can see. And as you can see, it's not even spelled it correctly because it doesn't even know what Shopia is. So let's enable our personality and try this again. Okay, great. So you can see, well, firstly, it got the name correct, which is good, but it also describes what the feature actually is. So tailor AI to your needs to automate a variety of tasks, control of prompts and inputs, true, multi-step workflows that can browse the web, transcribe YouTube videos, and query your files. So this is great because this, I didn't even need to put all the information in the input, but it retrieves it for me automatically. So that's great. So this is personalities for workflows. The last place we can look at it is in chat. So you have this personality option here. So when you click on it, you can browse through the different personalities. And what happens is when you have it enabled, you can see now we have marketing personality enabled. It will automatically select the resources associated with it. And it will also use the voice that is assigned to that personality as well. So if I say, hi, how, tell me about PS features, and I click enter here, what it will do is it will go through the resources within that personality, and it will get the information and give us an answer. Here you can see it's retrieved a pretty comprehensive list of features that Shopia provides, and it's got it straight from the website. So it just makes things a lot easier when you just have personalities which have certain knowledge associated with it, so that you can kind of alternate between them depending on the task that you're doing. So in this case, it's focused on this particular website which has certain information I want to tap into, but I can also have a different personality for a different task which needs other sources of information, and I can just alternate between them. So that's all we'd like to cover for personalities. Make sure to watch the other tutorials to get an even better understanding of how you can fully maximize your use of Shopia. Thank you.